So student, in this video lesson, we will try to compare metal and non-metal on the basis of their property, and which property, particularly physical property. This session help you in revision of all physical property. At the same time, you can compare between metal and non-metal. So first property is state of metal and non-metal. So generally, most of metal are found in solid state, but there are some exception also there. Like you can see mercury, which is found in thermometer. It is generally found in which state? It is found in liquid state. So मेटल जो है बच्चों को हमारा मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम कौन सी स्टेट में मिलेगा? सॉलिड स्टेट में हमें मिलता है. लेकिन जब हम नॉन मेटल के केस में जाते हैं तो वहाँ क्या आता है? मोस्ट ऑफ नॉन मेटल आर जनरली नॉट फाउंड इन सॉलिड स्टेट्स. मीन ज़्यादातर नॉन मेटल हमें सॉलिड स्टेट में नहीं मिलेंगी. वो कौन सी स्टेट में मिलेंगी हमें? दे आर फाउंड इन आइदर लिक्विड और गैसियस स्टेट. ठीक है. सो गैसियस स्टेट्स में मिलेंगी या तो लिक्विड स्टेट में मिलेंगी, बट इन केस ऑफ मेटल दे आर फाउंड इन सॉलिड स्टेट. नेक्स्ट फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी इज हार्ड एंड सॉफ्ट. दैट्स कि हमारा जो मेटल है वो हार्ड होगा या सॉफ्ट होगा. सो जनरली मोस्ट ऑफ मेटल आर हार्ड. दैट्स मीन दे वी कैन नॉट ईजिली कंप्रेस दैम, we cannot easily scratch them. But when we see in case of non-metal, they can easily scratchable, easily compressible. That's why they are regarded as soft metal. But remember, all non-metal are non-soft, are not soft. There are some exceptions are there, like diamond. Diamond is made up of carbon, which is a non-metal, and it is the hardest substance present on this earth. ठीक है. सो स्टूडेंट, अब हम नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी की तरफ चलते हैं, जो हमारा क्या है? लस्टर. लस्टर मीन शाइन. सो अपीयरेंस, whenever we see any object there will be two appearance. It may be shiny or it may be dull. So in case of metal, metallic objects generally have shine. That's mean most of metal possess a property of shine. But when we see in case of non-metal, they are generally dull. ठीक है. Next property is malleability. Malleability, I think you must remember now that malleability is a property by which I can convert metal into thin sheet. Remember, whenever you go to a shop of goldsmith or blacksmith, you see this property, because by this property they can convert a thin piece of metal into a large sheet. So by malleability I can convert any piece of metal into thin sheet. So when we compare metal and non-metal on the basis of this property, metal are generally malleable. That means we can convert them into thin sheet. But in case of non-metal, they are non-malleable. For example, if you take a piece of wood, can you convert it into thin sheet? No, na. Why? Because it is a non-metal and non-malleable. Next property is ductility. So ductility, what is ductility? Ductility is a property by which I can draw any metal into a thin wire. But there are some exception also there. But most of metal generally student are ductile. But in case of non-metal, they are non-ductile. Mean I cannot convert them into thin wire. My mistake here, I written motile. Please correct it. It is ductile, not motile. And the next property student is conductor. So you already learned in class 6 and 7 about conductor and insulator. So conductor is a property by which heat and electricity can pass through given material. So most of metal are generally good conductor of heat and electricity. Due to this reason, most of electric appliances, most of your utensil are made up of metal, and non-metal are generally poor conductor of electricity and heat. वो कभी भी हीट और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को इतना ज़्यादा कंडक्ट नहीं करते हैं. इस यही रीज़न है बच्चों कि मोस्ट ऑफ जो आपकी इलेक्ट्रिक वायर है उन पर किस चीज़ की कवरिंग की जाती है? प्लास्टिक की. सिमिलरली यूटेंसिल के जो हैंडल रहते हैं यूटेंसिल के, वो किस चीज़ के बनते हैं? प्लास्टिक या वुड के. क्यों? क्योंकि वो इंसुलेटर है. हमारा नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी सोनोरस. सोनोरस में आपको एक वर्ड पकड़ना है, वो क्या है? सोनो. सोनो मीन साउंड. सो बाय दिस प्रॉपर्टी गिवन मटेरियल कैन प्रोड्यूस साउंड. सो जनरली मेटल जो होंगे बच्चों हमारे कैसे होंगे? सोनोरस होंगे. और जो नॉन मेटल होंगे वो कैसे होंगे? आपके नॉन सोनोरस. सो by the use of this property I can define metal into: metal are hard, lustrous, malleable, ductile, sonorous, good conductor of heat and electricity. ठीक है. सो मेटल ऐसे सब्सटेंस है बच्चों जिनमें ये सारी प्रॉपर्टीज होंगी, दैट इज मेलिएबल, डक्टिलिटी, सोनोरस, कंडक्टर, हार्ड, एंड they are generally solid. And opposite of this property means material which do not have this property is generally known as non-metal. For example, your oxygen, your carbon, your hydrogen, your sulfur, ठीक है, your wood, your plastic, they all are non-metal because they do not possess all these properties. So student, in next session we will going to learn about chemical properties. So until then, please revise and please keep your learning on and always remain motivated.